Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to try out the new Neewer Z2 flash. I really like it. It's really cool looking. So we're going to do some TTL shots outside of my wife up against a tree. So let's get started and see how they look. Bring your chin this way. Good. Back on this little bit. Good smile. It's good to stay where you are. Good nose. Here we go. Good smile. You're going to take your hands home like this. Tilt your head over. Chin back this way. Smile. Good, now turn toward the tree. So the flash so far seems to be doing a really good job, and I haven't done any plus or minus to the TTL. It's just nailing it as it is. At least it looks that way through the camera. So there we go, good. All right, another good smile. All right, so let's go have a look at these and see how they look. Like I said, so far I've been pretty impressed by this Neewer flash. I don't think I'll be able to keep it because I'm so invested in Godox, and Godox doesn't work with any of the newer stuff. That's why the flash is on top of the camera. I don't like to have a flash on top of the camera, but we didn't have any option since I didn't have any of the newer transmitters. So anyway, let's check these out.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry, this won't be enough this time.
So as you can tell by looking at those pictures, this flash is very accurate in TTL. It feels like it's built like a tank. I like the motion of it. It just feels like it's really built well. It has the metal down at the bottom that hooks onto the hot shoe. The settings are large in the back. I think they're bigger than the Godox settings. I would love to keep this flash, but I probably have to sell it because I'm so invested in Godox. I have all Godox transmitters, receivers, AD200s, V1, smaller flashes. So everything I have is Godox, and Godox and Neewer don't work back and forth. But if you're not invested into a system yet and you're new, check out the Neewer, especially the Z2. This is the brand new one they've got out. I think it's a great flash. And like I said, I would like to keep it, but I don't really have a way to use it. I don't want to just put it on my camera and use it on top of my camera all the time, because I don't like taking pictures like that. But hey, we are an affiliate with Neewer. So if you're not invested in a system, or you're just looking for a single flash for your camera, check out the Neewer Z2 and check out our affiliate link down below, copy and paste it. Hey, and for helping you guys out, hit that subscribe button. Thanks.